Hello friends, is Face ID not working on your iPhone? Here's how to fix it step by step. The first thing to check is the camera area. Take a close look at the dynamic island or front camera at the top of your screen. Clean around it with a soft lint-free cloth, since this is the camera that actually scans your face for Face ID. If you are using a skin protector, it could also be interfering with Face ID. Try removing it and testing again. If that doesn't solve it, no worries. We can fix this from settings. Open settings, search for Face ID and passcode and tap on it. Enter your passcode to continue, then scroll down and tap reset Face ID. Now tap setup Face ID, then get started. The process is simple. Just hold your phone in front of your face and slowly move your head in a circle, following the on-screen instruction. And that's it. Your Face ID is set up fresh. In most cases, this solves the issue completely. If Face ID is still acting up, try a forced restart. Press and quickly release volume up, then press and quickly release volume down, and finally press and hold the side button. Even when the slide to power off screen appears, keep holding. Don't let go until the screen goes completely black and Apple logo shows up. Once you see the logo, your phone has successfully restarted and Face ID should be back to working normally. And that should get your Face ID working again. If this helped, let me know in the comments. Did it fix your Face ID or are you still running into issues? Drop a comment and I will help you out. Thanks for watching.